Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying your MacBook Air model and whether it uses Apple Silicon or Intel. This dictates which installer or recovery method you use. Next, back up everything to Time Machine or an external drive and verify the backup can be read. Once done, make sure the battery is above 50% and plug into power. Finally, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. This prevents interruptions during download and ensures the recovery utility can fetch the correct Mac OS. You now start the core action. Boot into recovery using the proper shortcut for your chip. This loads Internet Recovery if needed. Once in recovery, open Disk Utility and choose the internal volume. Erase it using apps for modern Mac OS or Mac OS Extended only if required, then quit Disk Utility. Next, choose Reinstall Mac OS, follow the installer prompts, and wait while the OS downloads and installs. This may take time, so be patient and keep the Mac plugged in until finished. You finish by walking through the Setup Assistant. Create your user account, sign into iCloud if you want syncing, and enable location services or File Vault as needed. Once at the desktop, restore from Time Machine or migrate only the folders you want to keep. Make sure apps are updated via the App Store. If something goes wrong and the drive isn't visible, use Disk Utility's First Aid or try Internet Recovery again. This tip often resolves corrupted volume headers without extra hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.